What is an anti-life equation? So the anti-life equation has a very complex, vast and confusing history that changes from time to time since it first appeared in the 1971. The main reason why Darkseid will appear again on the earth is because of the anti-life equation that has the power to destroy the multiverse. Means from the mother box you can only destroy a earth or a universe, but from an anti-life equation you can actually destroy the multiverses. And when Steppenwolf came to know about the mark of the Darkseid created in the past, he suddenly informed it to the Darkseid men. And that will be the reason why Darkseid appeared on the earth and he killed Aquaman and many other superheroes. And finally destroyed the whole earth as well as the universe. And that's the reason why Darkseid said, "We have found the anti-life equation." So the future of the DCEU. So when all the League members won, the current timeline of the Snyder Cut stopped as us, and Zack's vision was to create more 3-4 movies after the end of the Justice League, which was scheduled to release in 2017 but released in 2021. So I think that after the Snyder Cut ended, Lex Luthor with his Injustice League attacked the Justice League and Justice League defeated them. And then finally Darkseid enters the earth and successfully, after killing everyone except Mira, Flash, Batman, Cyborg, Joker and even Superman, he left with the anti-life equation to destroy the multiverse. And then the League now has to fight the Superman because Joker had killed Lois. So Batman had to save Joker to undo the earth to the normal because maybe he will have some plans. So after it, Batman along with other members had to save the world, and only Zack and DC knows what the next story will be. That's why we have to use #restore the Snyderverse so that we will experience a bigger threat. We will see the destruction of the whole world and the universe, and we will see the superheroes falling and then rising again maybe. And if we turn down the comic books and animated shows, then many things can happen, like Batmans from many universes coming together or Superman from many universes. Just think of it, Christian Bale, Ben Affleck, Michael Keaton in a single frame. So DC has a larger capacity of doing great things. All they need is your support and love. So that's it for today guys. If you enjoyed the video and get the answer, then please like and subscribe to my channel, and please comment down below anything you want next topic on. Till then, if you enjoyed the video, then please like. Till then, bye bye, and please subscribe yaar.